Oh, less than a week, and he's already coming up to me now for loves and attention. He's so cute. Yeah, we decided to stick with the name Simon, because my boyfriend likes the name Simon. Yeah, he just walked. I've been leaving the door open there. Sorry, that on the door. That's from before we moved in. But yeah, been leaving the door open so he can go and wander around out in the rest of the house and get to know Butler. And just now, a couple minutes ago, he comes walking in, walks right up to me, purring like crazy, and just starts letting me pet him. Yep. Ow, ow, ow. Gotta clip his claws. Yes, gotta clip his claws. Hey? Yeah. Yeah, got him Wednesday last week. Yeah, he's doing so good. Aren't ya? Yeah. Biggest issue is Butler. Yeah, the old grump. He growls and hisses. But that's all he does. He's never tried to attack. He just growls and hisses. He's like, this is my place, my house. What are you doing in my house? Right, Simon? Yeah. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Yeah, he doesn't like it when I do that. But it hurts when he does that. Yeah. Hiya, Simon. And he really likes that cushion. He likes laying on the cushion there. Yeah, boyfriend found that cage, the dog cage there, in the box, in the shed. So we brought it in, and I covered it with one of Wolfie's blankets. So he's got privacy, and a pink blanket that I knitted a little while ago for him to sleep on, and then the food and water dishes, they used to belong to my kitty Peaches. Yeah. Just a little rope I made out of yarn for him. And my boyfriend bought this toy here for his cat, but his cat Butler, whatever. But he likes playing with it at times. Don't you, Simon? Yeah. Oh. Oops. Until next time, say bye. Say bye, Simon. Say bye, Simon. Bye, Simon.